Let's talk about packing smart, because every gram on your back matters. Clothes go in their own bags, separate from everything else. Here's the rule: wear one, wash one. You don't need 5 t-shirts, you need 2, and always pack a rain jacket, a fur puffer jacket for warmth. Skip the fancy sweaters, they're hake-up towel instead of a regular one. It dries fast and weighs almost nothing. Stay small, decant your shampoo into a tiny bottle. You don't need the full one. Same goes for sunscreen, and never forget sun protection matters out here. Sleeping bag goes in first, at the bottom of your pack. A blow-up pillow saves a huge amount of space compared to a regular one. Always, hydration is non-negotiable out here. Water flip-flops for river crossings or camps so your hiking boots stay dry for the trail. Pack a head torch, you'll want your hands free once the sun goes down. A small purse first aid kit, blister and scrapes. It's good to have your own basics too. And as a rule of thumb, your full pack shouldn't weigh more than 15% of your body weight. That's the target. For food, we use trail food dehydrated meals. Just add hot water and you've got a full, proper meal without the weight of fresh ingredients. That's the secret to hiking light, less bulk, same energy, and way less to carry.